You might have watched some other videos where I talked about relationships, where I've talked about dating, talked about those issues, and you might assume by those videos that I have a grudge against women or something like that. Nothing could be further from the truth. I definitely don't. I love women a lot. However, I do realize the way things actually are, and I realize the nature of women nowadays, the majority, it seems, of how they actually are, how difficult they are to deal with, how difficult relationships are now. I realize how the court system always takes the woman's side pretty much. 99% of the time, they will get the kids, they'll get the house, they'll get the child support, they'll get the alimony, they'll get half everything you have. Men get screwed. Men get visitation rights if they're lucky with their own kids. Some other man comes in, gets in your house, you're paying money every month, they get your kids. It's a big risk. It's a really big risk. And it seems like that a lot of women anymore get married just to take the resources. They're kind of like the government, do things just for the resources. So it's scary. It really, truly is. And I've seen so many horror stories of relationships going bad. You know, I know people that have done their wives right, that have worked, had a job, didn't do drugs, didn't drink, didn't cheat, was loving, took care of their kids, didn't beat her, pretty much everything women say they want. And the women get caught cheating, get caught out with another man cheating, and usually the man is some polished shit man that isn't worth anything, some drunk drug addict that doesn't work. The husband will be out working and his wife will be out getting her legs jacked up in the air by some drunken bum. And the man comes home loving his wife, doesn't know any difference, and she's, oh honey, goody goody, or she's doing that to hide the fact she's been out cheating, or she may act like she's mean and hateful and a bitch. That's the way it works, and depending on the woman and the situation. Some will try to do a whole lot better, try to hide the fact they're cheating, and some will turn into a pure demon because they hate that man, think they're in love with somebody else and want an excuse for a divorce. But they leave and take everything you have, so it's dangerous. It really, truly is very dangerous nowadays. And it's not that I don't like women, it's that I realize what relationships are. It's dangerous for a man. It's dangerous for anybody for that matter, but for a man, financially, spiritually, I mean emotionally, it's very, very dangerous to get involved, especially to get married and have kids with a woman nowadays, especially where the court system is and everything. But as far as women go, I've dated, been married, and I've been involved with a couple, maybe 3 good women in my life, and I've been the one that's messed up. It's not been cheating, it's just been things happen, and you know, and I've been the one that's broken up, left, or whatever. Because one thing, you know, is you realize what could happen, so you get away from it before it does. That's part of it. But it's been, a couple has been mutual, and their fault, a few has been. 1 or 2 could be considered my fault. 1 especially could be considered my fault. It was a good woman I dated. So it's not about, but it's good. They were good while I was with them. I don't know if they would have changed in the future, would have put that knife in my back in the future. Very possible, very, very possible. And I did see some of the signs that that was going to happen. So that's part of the reason that and just bipolar, it seems. You could leave the house and everything be good that morning and go work, go visit my mom, something like that, and come home in a few hours. Personality completely changed. It was like dating several different people or married to several different people at the same time. It seems like they got different personalities, and depends on what happens, what personality will come out. But as far as women go, I love women. I love being with women. I love doing things, having a partner to do things with. I mean, I love cuddling up. I love everything about it, all that. But it's dangerous. It's really, really dangerous. But it's not about disliking women. It's not about anything like that at all. Was it for a woman, I wouldn't be here. My mother, and my mother was a good woman, still is a good woman. She worked, she slaved, but she's from a different time period. Different time period. They've changed so much now. I mean, look at the internet. I'm in a video on my other channel talking about how they go online and shake and twist and show their tits and their cleat and their butt and everything else hanging out to get attention, to get validation from men. And that's one reason too. They can get validation from men, and they've come to the conclusion that if they want sex, they can just find anybody they want pretty much and say, hey, you want to go screw? Get a man to go screw. They figured that out, and they can get validation. If they get married, they have nothing to lose pretty much. They know they're going to get half what you have. If they decide to leave, they decide to find somebody else. So it's not, I mean, it's dangerous, it really is. But it's not about disliking women at all. I've never hit a woman that I've been in a relationship with, anything like that whatsoever at all. Never been abusive, nothing like that. Not a drunk, not drug addict, nothing like that at all. But still relationships end. I mean, that's just the way it goes. They usually do end, most of them do. Very few anymore last forever. How many relationships do you know of people who were under, say, 50 years old that got together when they were younger, been together 25, 30 years? There's a few, but not many. Most get divorced. And it seems like the older you get, the less you have to choose from, for sure, because everyone else has been married 3 or 4 times and probably married now. It's time to find someone decent, and everything left is pretty much, not everything, but the majority, it seems like, are on drugs, mentally ill, something seriously wrong. You wouldn't want to be with them anyway. So it gets more complicated too, because after you get so old, all the cream of the crop is pretty much gone. All you have is the crap left over, it seems, to choose from. And who wants that? Who wants to risk everything on that? I mean, I don't. Do you? So it's not about that. I mean, I would love to have a good woman. I'm not going to lie. I would love to have a good relationship, a woman that would stand by me, work with me, to do things, to go places, to get things done, a partner. Someone who wouldn't, we might disagree, but someone who wouldn't bitch and gripe constantly about something and nag and whine about something constantly. Someone who actually wanted to build things, to do things, to work on projects together, to go places together. It'd be nice, it really would. Take care of each other when you're sick. It'd be wonderful. But finding that, and then they may pretend and then change. It's dangerous, it really is. And you open your heart up, you open everything up, and you end up getting screwed over pretty much, just about every time. Just about every freaking time you get screwed over, it seems. So you wonder after a while, is it worth it? And that's why all men are saying, no, it's not worth it. So just giving up and not bothering with it no more, going on with their lives, doing their own thing, worrying about their own finances, their own prosperity, their own happiness, and not risking everything by getting involved with a woman. But most of us would love to have a decent woman, a good woman, that, like I said, that we could work together, could do things together, would like some of the same things, that could get along with, could, you know, just be happy with. It'd be great, but it's a huge risk. And finding that now is about impossible. And after you try several times, and usually they mess it up most every time. Sometimes, you know, like I said, with one girl for sure, a lot of things went on, and it was my fault that one was. Mainly the age difference, actually, because she was younger than me and let that bother me. Should not have had. I should have been happy with it and went with it, because it would have worked out pretty good, I think. But I didn't. I let my own thoughts get in the way, so I messed that one up. And, you know, I wasn't perfect, but no one is. No one expects anybody to be perfect. Just like in the marriage, you know. As far as doing anything that was bad, I didn't do anything bad. I didn't cheat. I didn't beat. I didn't abuse, nothing like that. But, you know, 11 years, and one thing was I didn't really feel as respected as I should have had. I didn't really feel like that what I needed was there, because of, I can't talk about a lot of things right now because it's personal stuff. I didn't feel like I was really respected like I should have been. Decisions could be made and were made without even consulting me. There's a lot of details, a lot of things I don't want to get into, but that's kind of the way that it turned out. So I left. And like I said, a lot of the main issue part was like 3 or 4 different people. You would, like I said, leave, come back. Everything would be great when you left. Leave for a couple of hours, come back. And it's like it's a different person. It was like the devil had came to town. Most days it was that way. Mad, pugged up, not talking, cold, slamming dishes down, things like that. You know, just the mad. Just make you, and you come back and you get that feeling like, I don't want you here. Evil, evil, don't want you here. That's the way it felt. So I left. Anyway, yeah, it's not about disliking women, anything like that. I definitely don't dislike women at all. Like I said, I love women. If I could get a good one, I'd be happy. But doing that is very, very difficult. Anyway, if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully.